Welcome to my review of the Envelopes Budgeting app, a digital tool designed to bring the traditional envelope budgeting method into the modern age. The envelope budgeting system involves allocating portions of your income into different categories, or envelopes, for expenses like groceries, rent, and entertainment. This method helps control spending by ensuring you don't exceed your budget in any category. The Envelopes Budgeting app digitizes this process, allowing you to create virtual envelopes for each expense category. You can set budget limits for each envelope, track your spending, and adjust allocations as needed. The app's interface is user-friendly, with a clean design that makes navigation straightforward. Setting up your budget is simple. You create envelopes corresponding to your expense categories and assign budget amounts to each. As you record your expenditures, the app deducts these amounts from the respective envelopes, providing a clear picture of your spending patterns. One of the app's strengths is its flexibility. You can easily adjust envelope amounts if your financial situation changes, and the app allows for the creation of both regular and annual envelopes, accommodating both monthly expenses and long-term savings goals. However, it's important to note that the app does not link directly to your bank accounts. This means you'll need to manually enter your transactions, which requires diligence to maintain accurate records. On the upside, this manual entry can increase your awareness of spending habits and enhance financial discipline. The app is available for a one-time purchase, offering a cost-effective solution without the need for ongoing subscriptions. It also operates without ads, providing an uninterrupted user experience. In summary, the Envelopes Budgeting app offers a practical and flexible approach to managing personal finances through the envelope budgeting system. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features make it a valuable tool for those seeking to implement a structured budgeting method. However, the requirement for manual transaction entry may not suit everyone, particularly those who prefer automated syncing with bank accounts. If you're committed to actively managing your budget and appreciate the principles of the envelope system, this app could be a beneficial addition to your financial toolkit. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video for more content on personal finance tools and tips. Sources.